We are now witnessing live bagging.
Turn his crisp bag inside out.
And take out the packet of condoms as well if he still has
Turn
them.
them inside out. Turn his condoms inside out.
I hope it's tight. Now this reminds me of Black Mirror.
Yeah.
How do you feel about the whole situation?
Just to let you know, I have nothing to do with this. Go on, Cootie. Nicely done with turning that inside out.
Do you have a pencil case?
What? I don't think so.
Are you going to open this crisp bag?
I think Peter's recording this for just to prove evidence of bullying.
I'm just gonna say stole my money.
That's true.
Up, right?
He's relieving stress. Now open his packet of crisps. Turn it inside out.
Yeah.
Whoops. And all done.
What's he waiting on?
Just to see what else I do.
What did that cool?
Yeah, we
Put
know
your balls on it.
Should we let him in?
Yeah.
Can I just say that? That's so efficient. Really impressive.
Yeah.